Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and today things went really well over at Walgreens. I got my haul for $5, and if you think about all this clearance stuff that I got in there, pretty good deal. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go through some of these deals, just the really cheapies or the freebies, before I go through the monster basket of $40 of merch. Now, also, I found a whole bunch of pennies at the Dollar General, and I did go back to Meijer today, and holy mother load of 90% off Burt's Bees. We're going to talk about this at the end. And just to show you, it's kind of stormy today, kind of like bad weather. And hi to my mom if she's watching. You know, when the snow starts collecting like that, I don't know if you can see it, it's been stormy. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is a little bit of clearance over at Walgreens. Tons of these deodorants by Secret are on clearance, including these guys, which are the Derma Antiperspirant. So they are on clearance for $2.49. If you grab two of them, that is a price point of $4.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, guys, so you're paying 98 cents for the two. For a deodorant that's regularly $8, that is some tremendous savings. So definitely be on the lookout for these ones that are $2.49, because that is very cheap. Another superb deal this week is for some free body wash. So these Suave Men, and I went with the men, you can get men or women's, they are $2 each. So for two of them, that's $4, and then we have $1 off. I think it's $1 off one or $1 off two. So you'll pay 3 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own, and then pay the tax, and then you'll get back this guy, which is $4 store register reward. So it basically shakes that out to free. So like a little $1 money maker if you factor in the coupon. Great little deal this week is with the Colgate. This guy is $3.99. This guy is $3.99. So for the two of them, that's $7.98. We have a $2 digital for this and a $2 digital for this. You can use $4 of Walgreens cash if you wish to pay down the balance, and then you should get back another $4 of Walgreens cash for the purchase of these two items. Okay guys, so I did something kind of stupid in my $40 basket, and I only got one $4 register reward, and I thought the Colgate was giving back $4 in Walgreens cash. It's always that way, and I assumed something, and guess what? I made a mistake. But I did call customer service, and they credited me $4 of Walgreens cash. So do not do the Suave and the Colgate in the same transaction, or you will only get back one register reward. If you look at the fine print, Suave and Colgate are there. So that is my mistake. And it just shows you that even sometimes when you think you have everything figured out, a little tiny mistake like that is $4. So do not do those two deals in the same transaction. Only one register reward will print. So I whipped up another deal for you guys to do a $40 basket. So I'm just going to walk you through it. I had a whole bunch of stuff on the table, but then I realized what I did, and I'm like, I just guess I have to delete it. So I had this that came out of the Catalina machine, which was $9 back when you spend $40. Okay, so I also had this digital loaded, so 1 paper, 1 digital. Grab 3 boxes of these cereals for $1.88. So I'm subbing out the Suave body wash for this. And we need this digital loaded, which is $1 off too. So make sure you have that loaded. We're grabbing 2 of the toilet papers. They're buy one, get one 50% off. And then 2 of the paper towels, buy one, get one 50% off. And here is the promotion. And here are the 2 digitals that you need loaded. You'll also go to your coupons.com account, and there's $1 for the paper towel and $1 for the toilet paper as well. Now we have a little toothbrush for $3.99, and as stated earlier, I was wrong. Here's the promotion. So don't buy the Suave body wash and this in the same transaction. Ugh. And then 1 toothpaste. And then here are your digital coupons. We have a $2 for the paste and a $2 for the brush. And I was very lucky to have a nice customer service rep who helped me out today on the Walgreens.com chat, because sometimes that's the make or break between getting a haul or not. I also grabbed 3 shampoos. They are 3 for $12. And then I loaded this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 3. Now over on the Fetch Rewards app, once you're done your transaction, you photograph to this. You have $15 tracking. So hey, that is a large chunk, almost half or more than half. And then on coupons.com, we have $1 back for the toilet paper and $1 back for the paper towel. So make sure that you have both of these activated. Okay, here's the deal. 4 of the Scott's products, make sure that you grab 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels. That's 15. 3 Pantenes for 12. 2 Colgates for $7.98 and 3 boxes of cereal for $5.64. The total here is $40.62. Make sure the cashier scans the 9 back when you spend $40, along with having your booster loaded, which is $5 when you spend $20. Subtracting $10 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous, you're paying $30.62 with your debit card, getting back $17 in Walgreens cash for the boosters, and then the 3 back for the Pantene. And then you're also going to get $2 back from coupons.com, $1 for each of the Scotts, and that $4 register reward for the Colgate. So it makes it $7.62 for this basket of $40 of merch. Let's remember not to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, because it will mess things up. And again, guys, I apologize about that mess up. I should have read the fine print in the store. I just assumed Colgate is Walgreens cash, but that's what happens when you make assumptions. Okay, so in my basket, I had a couple of these, and these are Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, and it is a cleaner. So you know what I would do, guys, just to keep this really easy, because they're $1.69, so they're 50% off. I would actually grab 3 of them and use like a $4 store register reward and $1 of Walgreens cash, or $5 of Walgreens cash. Clearance is always, your mileage may vary. And why I purchased these, I think it's made in the same factory as the SC Johnson, like scrubbing bubbles. So it's a higher quality cleaner. And yeah, here it is. And I know it might be a long shot, but just maybe keep an eye out in the cleaning aisle. There's a lot of stuff going 50%. And I just wanted this for my stockpile. Okay, so over at the Dollar General, I was just bebopping around because I'm working on another paper deal video. Be on the lookout for that this week. Some very inexpensive papers with digital coupons. Now these Clorox, this is from, if you look at it, it's a red dot. This is what you're looking for. It kind of looks like an orange dot, but it's a red dot. This is part of back to school. If you look at the back here, it says S21. And I will show you the UPCs for these. These were all a penny. So some employee just threw these all back on the floor. And I was walking through the aisle with all these goods, like, you know, and I found 8 of them. So 8 of them, the cashier scanned them, no problems, no issues. And I got them all for a penny each. So I got both the one that's white and the clear one. So how nice is that? Loving those pennies today. My favorite thing today that I found. Last store we're going to talk about is Meijer, and Meijer is a grocery store here in the Midwest. Yesterday, which was Sunday, their Christmas stuff hit 90%. Now, lots of Burt's Bees was part of it. I was really in and out of the store really quick yesterday morning. I didn't really want to be in there too long because I wanted to get to Walgreens for a big piece of hot apple fail. But today's find, these were part of Christmas. These little, it's like a little hand salve and a little full-size lip balm, different flavors. These were all 49 cents each. The original price point was $4.99. So I got a whole mess of them because this was such a good deal. And there was still some left at the store I didn't clear, but definitely because I use a lot of lip balm, I like to leave one in the car, in the house, near my bed, you know, near the television. So I'm definitely going to use all of these. I think these are my husband's favorite. I like these ones. My mother-in-law likes those. So all purposefully purchased. Now these look like a bomb went off. Like, look how tattery. I think that's why nobody wanted these. But these were $1.29 each. The original price point, I think, was like $12.99. I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. I would never gift somebody something that looks like this. It looks like it went through quite a bit. But still, what a great price point of $1.29. A lot of the air care is 90% off as well, guys. These Febreze Airs were 31 cents. And then this little Snow Much Fun. What that smells like. I smelled the other ones. That smells like vanilla and perfume. This guy was 10 cents. But I got so many of these in December completely for free with other promotions over at oh, it smells actually pretty good. Anyhow, I got this for 10 cents. This was 31 cents, but they had some sort of coupon, like 3 off of 2, and I got a bunch of them for free at Meijer earlier in the Christmas season, but I'm still very delighted to find one. Definitely look on end caps, look in the clearance section, look here, look there. People who have been shopping throughout Christmas time leave stuff all around, and that's how I found these, because somebody cleared all of the air care, but this nobody touched. So I'm very happy with all of this, and I wish you guys good luck to track those down. I would look for them sooner than later. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.